Hello, grade students of grade 6. How's you all? I hope you all are very well at your home, right? So, before summer vacation, we start two chapters. That first chapter is computer languages and second chapter is more on Windows 10. I hope these two chapters are clear to all. So, in today's class, we start the chapter that is Microsoft Excel. Yes, students, so let's start the chapter Microsoft Excel with the help of slides. Yes, students, now we start the chapter. So, Microsoft Excel is one of the most popular spreadsheet software that is used to perform mathematical calculation like plus, minus, multiply, divide, so many things. Okay, that is in a tabular form of rows and column. Okay, that is developed by the Microsoft Corporation. Okay, that is developed by the Microsoft company. Okay, same like there is a different type of tools is there in a Microsoft Office. Microsoft Excel is one of them, like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Notepad, so many things. Okay, now I will tell you what are the features of Microsoft Excel. Here see the first feature, that is password protected. You know student, Microsoft Excel is a protected software. Here Excel also allow user to add password to their workbook. If any other student want to open or change your worksheet, he can't want to change your worksheet without your password. This avoid any kind of unauthorized access to the data. You can always protect your data with the help of password. Yes students, next feature is easy formatting. In Microsoft Excel, same like a Microsoft Word, different type of formatting or editing is also there. Like if you want to edit or if you want to edit or change the colors, change the style, change the font, also visual appearance and increase the readability of text, you can easily edit that. Also you can increase the size of text, increase the size of table, so many things you have to do with the help of formatting. Yes students, there is a next feature of Microsoft Excel is a table and graphics. You have to add different type of graphics like chart, pie chart is there, column chart is there, line chart is there. Different type of chart are possible in the Microsoft Excel. Why chart is very important? Because with the help of chart you have to see the graphical in the pictorial form in an easy way. Okay, this support the use of tables, chart and graphics to increase the visual clarity of the text. Yes students, that is the main feature of Microsoft Excel. With the help of this feature, here formulas are mainly used to perform simple and complex mathematical calculations. Here, functions are the built-in formulas used for calculating like percentage, interest, average, etc. And these type of calculations are error-free. Here, most of the calculations are performed by the computer. As a result is there is no possibility of producing erroneous data. Yes students, next feature is save time. Excel provides various built-in functions and formulas which save the time by performing both simple and complex calculation. If there are different type of calculations like if you want to find out the percentage, interest, average, you save your time and you want to find the quickly result. In the all apps option, firstly you have to click on the Microsoft Office. Yes students, in the Microsoft Office there are a different type of versions are there, like 2003, 2007, after that 2010, 2013, then 2016. 2016 is the Microsoft Office latest version. Here you have to choose the Microsoft Office which you have any version of Microsoft Office like 2010, 13 or 16. Okay. Yes, after choosing the Microsoft Office, there are different type of Microsoft Office tools are there, like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office 2010, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft OneNotice, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. So many tools are there, but here you have to choose Microsoft Excel 2010, 13 or 16. Okay. Yes students, now I will tell you different type of components are there in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so number one is Office button. When you click on the Office button, that display a drop down list to create a new file, open an existing file, save a file, and many more tasks. Okay, you see here new, open, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close. Different type of menus are there. Yes students, now next is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is used to create the down arrow at the end of toolbar to enable the frequently used command. We use quickly X toolbar to end of toolbar to enable the frequently used commands. When you click on the quick access toolbar, a drop down menu customize quick access toolbar will open. Here different type of options are also there, like new, open, save, email, quick, print preview, spelling, undo, redo, sorter sending, sort descending, more commands. So many options are there in quick access toolbar. Okay, so you have to do it. Yes, now on the header is title bar that display the name of worksheet you are currently use. See here, book 1. Book 1 is a by default name of any worksheet. If you save your file after going to the Microsoft Office, then click on file, then click on save. When you save the file, then for example RAM, so file name is RAM Microsoft Excel. Title bar display the name of worksheet you are currently using. Yes students, after title bar there is a menu bar. In the menu bar different tabs are there, like home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view and add-ins. Okay, and in home there is a so many sub tabs are there. Likewise in insert so many tabs are there, same in page layout so many tabs are there. Okay, in home see here different type of buttons are available here. Okay, these are also called tab. Okay, and in each group there is a dialog box launcher is there, like in home there is a clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, editing. These are the groups in ribbon. So what is the use of ribbon in the Microsoft Excel? Ribbon helps you to find the command faster. Okay, in the menu, see here in the menu bar there are different type of tab are there, and in the different tab there are lots of groups are there. So that will help you to find the command faster. Now there are two scroll bar allow scrolling the data in a worksheet. The status bar, the scroll bar display the horizontal and vertical scroll bar. Okay. After that, just below the page, the status bar is here. The status bar display the status of information of Microsoft Excel. Now let us know about what are the workbook and worksheet. See here, currently opened Excel file is known as active workbook, and by default each workbook have 3 worksheet. See here in the bottom of file 3 worksheets are there in each workbook, and in the bottom of the Excel window there is a plus sign is also there. When you click on the plus sign, you also add different type of sheet in a Microsoft Excel. Yes students, in the status bar, the right side of the status bar, different views like normal layout view, page break and zoom slider are displayed here. The by default zoom is 100%, maximum zoom is 400% and minimum zoom is 10%. Okay. Now I will tell you what is cell and cell pointer in Microsoft Excel. See here the cell. Cell is the cross section of rows and column is called a cell. See here the cell. For this, firstly I will tell you what is row and what is column. See here, these are the columns. Columns are in the form of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All these are the columns. In 2010, 16,384 columns are there in Microsoft Excel. Starting from 1 to A to Z, after that AA to A to ZZ. Okay. And after that AB, then AC, then AD. Likewise, sequences there. Same like column, there are also rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Likewise, rows are there in the form of vertical form. Okay. Total 10,48,576 rows are there in the Microsoft Excel. Now I will tell you what is name box. The name box display the address of selected cell. See here 35 is the active cell and the row of active cell is 10 and the column is C. So the name in the name box C10 is there. C is for row and 10 is for column. See here the another example of name box. In C1, C is the row and 1 is the column here. Okay, that is the name box. See here also in the name box A1 is there, A is the column and 1 is the row. That is in the name box. Okay, that is also a cell address. Now after cell, what is cell pointer? Cell pointer is to find the cell that is active now. You can see that the particular cell is highlighted with the highlighted cell boundary. The right side of the name box, formula bar is there. In the formula bar, that is display the data or formula used in active cell. See here in the picture, C1 is the name box and the right side formula bar is there. Formula is always start with equal sign. In the Microsoft Excel, you have to enter 3 types of data. One is text data like name, language, science, maths, computer, total. These are the text form. And the data are numbers are formed in the number form data and also in the formula based data. So there are three type of data is there in the Microsoft Excel: formula, text and number. Yes students, till now we complete some topics, that is what is Microsoft Excel, how to start the Microsoft Excel, what are the components of Microsoft Excel, so many things. Okay student, so student, this is the practical subjects, so please try to do in a practical way also. Okay, and in next class we discuss the our next topics, like how to calculate the data in Microsoft Excel and how to save our file. Okay students, so enjoy your day, enjoy your study, so many things. Okay.